In this video, we'll be doing the Learning Fine Punch Needle kit, which is suitable for beginners. The kit includes printed fabric, Mouliné Special, an embroidery hoop, a punch needle tool and threader. I'll also be using embroidery scissors. Put the fabric in the embroidery hoop to pull the fabric taut. This tension will hold the thread in the fabric as you punch needle. Undo the screw to separate the rings. And place your fabric over the smaller ring. Pop the outside ring over the top. Tighten the screw and tension the fabric all the way round. We're using stranded embroidery thread which has 6 strands. We'll use 2 strands. To separate the strands, take your thread and tap the end. Then pinch one strand and pull straight up. Separate the strands individually and then recombine them. Take the protective cover off the punch needle. The tip of the punch needle has 2 sides. It has a sloped side, which is called the bevel, and a flat side. The sloped side, the bevel, needs to face the direction you're stitching in. To thread the tool, take the threader and push it from the tip of the needle all the way through the handle. Put the thread through the threader and pull it through the tool. Then push the threader through the eye of the needle. Your punch needle is now ready to use. We're going to start punching the light green stems and leaves. Make sure the thread is unwound and completely free from any tension. If you're leaning on it, or if it's wound in a tight ball or skein, the stitches won't stay in the fabric. Push the tool all the way into the fabric until the handle touches. Carefully turn over the hoop and pull through a small tail of thread. You don't need to tie any knots. Gently pull the punch needle out of the fabric and move the tip 1 to 2 millimeters, keeping the point very close to the fabric. Then push it through the fabric again, right up to the handle. Repeat all the way round, turning the hoop as you stitch. Make sure the bevel is always facing the direction you're stitching. When you get to the end of the row, to finish, Push the tool into the fabric up to the handle, holding it there, flip over the hoop and cut the thread. On the back, you'll now have lots of loops. Cut the end of your threads so they're the same height as the loops. Once you've finished all the light green, re-thread the punch needle with dark green thread and complete the dark green sections in the same way. Re-thread your punch needle with red thread. Work the outline of the berries and then fill them in by working in circles, gradually moving inwards. As you work inwards, try to arrange your stitches like bricks in a wall. Fill all the berries in the same way. Thank you for choosing to learn punch needle with DMC.